Are you tired of thin hair that never seems to have the volume or the full-bodied look you see in commercials? Today, we embark on a 30-day challenge to transform those fine strands into thick, lush locks. Imagine the bounce, the confidence, and the turn of heads. Day number 1. Evaluate your current hair care routine. Take a good look at the products you're currently using. Are they specifically for volumizing? Do they contain harsh chemicals that might be stripping your hair of vital oils? This is the moment to clear out those that don't make the cut. Day number 2. Introduce a thickening shampoo and conditioner. When shopping, look for products with natural volumizers like biotin, keratin, and collagen. These ingredients can help to fortify your hair from within, making each strand thicker over time. Have you ever wondered if the water you shower in might be affecting your hair growth? Well, here's a twist for you. Day number 3 involves installing a shower filter. This little change can help filter out hard water minerals that are notorious for weakening your hair. Day number 4. Dive into a scalp massage routine. Spend a few minutes each day massaging your scalp with your fingertips. This not only feels incredible, but also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, feeding those hair follicles and encouraging thicker growth. You haven't forgotten about hydration, have you? On day number 5, it's time to focus on internal hydration. Up your water intake significantly. Hydrated cells are happy cells, and that includes the cells that contribute to hair health. Day number 6, turn to omega-3s. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds into your diet. These nutrients are fundamental building blocks for hair health, promising not just growth, but enhanced hair density. Day number 7 through day number 30, repeat the first week's regime while incrementally increasing the intensity of your scalp massages and hydration efforts. Watch as your hair begins to transform. I know it sounds like a journey, but can you visualize waking up with thicker, voluminous hair that exudes vitality? Keep in mind, this transformation won't happen overnight, but consistency is your best friend in this challenge. As we wrap up today's guide, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By joining our community, you'll receive a video each day, keeping you motivated and on track with our hair thickening challenge. Excited? Drop a comment below and share how thin hairs have affected you personally. In our next video, we'll explore the top 10 morning exercises to do at home. This could perfectly complement your new hair care routine by enhancing overall health and vitality. Make sure to check it out through the end screen after subscribing. Until next time, keep striving for those full, healthy tresses.